Yo guys, what's up? Jawnes here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the E-8210604A error that might occur on your PlayStation 4 when you're trying to purchase something from the PlayStation Store. Usually this happens when you try to purchase PlayStation Plus or any additional product on the store, and you get this error that won't allow you to buy, for example, PlayStation Plus right here if you want to go and do your membership. But there's actually a quite easy fix to go around that in case you are not able to purchase your subscription, and when you click subscribe and put in the card details or the PayPal account, you get an error. So what you need to do is to go onto the PlayStation Store, go to the menu, settings, go to account management, and then from here, first of all, try to sign out and then sign back into your account and retry the purchase at first. This might work for you, but keep in mind that you need to know your password to re-enter it. So always make sure you know your credentials so that you can enter them once you sign back in and you don't have to reset your password or anything. So if this does not work, go back to account management and go to account information. Wait for it to load, and then from here we're gonna go into our wallet. Our wallet allows us to top up some money. So what you would do is to put money onto your account and then use the money or the new balance that you have to purchase on the PlayStation Store. So hit on wallet, and then this is what you can do. You can try to add or remove current payment methods or add some new ones, for example PayPal, credit card, depending on which payment method you use. So if you can try multiple payment methods, do that. If not, what you can do is to go ahead and add funds into your account, and once you add funds, it will allow you to have a balance for your wallet. Like right here, add funds, you can go ahead and add a credit card, you can add a PayPal account, or you can go ahead and redeem some codes or gift cards if you have some. So as you can see right here, my balance is $1 in my wallet, and if I add some credit, I'll be able to buy the PlayStation Plus. Now this is a quick tip. If you are still not able to do it, what you can do as a small turnaround is go to a website like G2A, buy yourself a PlayStation card, okay, and then redeem the code, for example, for a subscription, or if you're trying to buy a product, buy a PlayStation card and then redeem the code here. Once you do, for example, you bought a $20 card, you'll have $21, and then you'll be able to purchase the extension, the battle pass for any game or whatever you're trying to buy. And this has been it. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you, and if you have another method to suggest. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.